How to share project on CapCut PC. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can share your project with your friends in your CapCut PC. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your CapCut app and make sure you select a project. Once you are done editing, click onto the export option on your top right. Here you can either export this video and share it to your friends, or you can just click on the share option just beside the export option. Now first of all, if you don't have a CapCut account, make sure to sign in first and select a space. Once you do so, you will be able to export and share it with your colleagues. And just like so, this is how you can export and share videos in your CapCut PC. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.